Hi friends, Andy Brooks here, and today we're reviewing set 70841 Benny's Space Squad. What a cute bunch. Here's the box, which you've well seen on my channel by now. So we've got Kenny in yellow, Benny, Lenny, and Jenny. I was so pleased to see Jenny had something in her left hand, because most of the time, now he's pulled it off in his left hand, but Lenny's holding a right hand and Kenny, so it's a bit of a theme that seems to go around. But what a cute box, very cute. Thank you, Lego, for doing this set. So we've got Lenny. He is very cool. Love the pink astronaut suit. Just absolutely gorgeous. I'm sure Lenny thinks so as well, but yeah, he can think he's cute. Nothing wrong with that. Now, that brick's supposed to be the other way around on this little moon buggy, which looks very similar to something from the 80s, but a little bit of an update there with the light brick in the front. I thought that was a good idea. And yeah, those clips would have been made up of 3 bricks when I was a kid, so it's good that they've got that. And this is a relatively new one, which is supposed to go the other way around. Maybe studs to the front, but I had it that way because I had everybody aboard it and one riding the ship. So yeah, which I thought was a good idea. Now, I sort of stumbled upon this, and I don't know why Lego didn't suggest it, but you can actually transport that in there, and he doesn't have to hold it, which just was perfect. And I thought, why didn't Lego suggest that? So I had them riding on this machine, sensing going on. I clipped our little robot. Now they're not very tight, those little pieces, but and then I turned Benny's air tank around, now Benny has 2 faces. One's sad. I don't know if it's because he doesn't like the position he's about to get, or I think he's happy. He's only sad when he can't build a spaceship. And it's just actually, you can turn that robot up a bit so he doesn't bang on the ground. And there we go. They can all travel along together, carrying everything, which I thought was a great idea. But not what it was intended for. So yeah, but yeah, the old metal detector. Don't like the loss of the stud on the top. This used to have a stud on the top with a hole right through with the recess. Sorry, I probably was off camera. Professional as. So used to be a stud on the top, you know, so you could stick stick it onto there. And then there was the recess in the bottom, so you could stick it onto a stud, you know. But they've taken it away, and I can't understand why, because it does nothing but take away from play and, you know, building on, opposed to, you know, giving it to us. But love the little spaceship. A whole lot of new parts here. It was great to see they still had the aerial on there. I thought we might not get that, you know, being an up-to-date thing, but... And what a great time for them to do classic space. Just a couple of waves, maybe, would be awesome. And, yeah. So Benny's not supposed to look like that, so we'll just change him back for his sake. And yeah, he just seems to stand on the ground while these two can travel around. Now, I did like how they had Benny pulling the arm off the robot. And that's what his sad face is for. But yeah, there it is. Possibly the best set this year. Nah, just joking. Be Star Wars. Tanda 4. Or the anniversary stuff. But yeah. Hey, thanks for watching. Benny Space Squad. Cutest set this year. Let's call it that. Not the best set. The cutest set this year. Thanks, Lego. We just, you know, appreciate this so much. Let's see if we can do a bit of a close-up on them. Just to end it out. Now, the robot came from Benny Spaceship, which came out 4 years ago. And I should have really had a picture of it, because it's in the catalogue somewhere. I wish I could just add a photo to the review, but yeah, I ain't that clever. And nobody teaches me how to do things. So, thanks, Bianca. No, I'm kidding. Okay, probably running long, me playing around with them here, trying to get a good pose, and that's where I wish I knew how to edit. So, there we go. There's the crew. Cutest set this year. Fantastic. Thanks, Lego, for doing this, and thanks, guys, for watching. Peace out. I love you heaps.